We're here to talk with you about passwordless logins. And I'd like to start by saying that with a significant number of the so-called hacks that we hear about in the news actually weren't hacks at all. The bad actor didn't break in, they just simply logged in, which accounts for about 60 to 80% of the data breaches that we're dealing with today. Now, of course, we all heard about MFA, and almost everybody is using that in some way already.
Yeah, MFA, or multi-factor authentication, if we want to break out the acronym, is really, in a way to log in using more than one factor. Now, let me break that down a little bit. The ways to authenticate include who you are, what you know, and what you have, right? So those are types of factors for proving who you are. And, everybody's used to having a password, which is something. And then there's also can be a fingerprint or a retinal scanner, or they can send a code to your phone or some other device that you need to know to click on and say yes. Using more than one of those factors is what we refer to as MFA. So with passwordless technology, passwordless logins, is MFA going away already?
No, the concept of password logins doesn't mean the end of MFA. MFA actually is an integral part of the passwordless login strategy. But MFA on its own has shown to be still highly susceptible to social engineering techniques, where an individual convinces somebody they've already been a victim of a hack. Passwordless logins is really a strategy that combines several of those existing authentication techniques, plus one new key piece of unifying technology that really brings them all together so that they can complement each other